Hello everyone, I'm Govind Thirupdar. I'm back with another new exciting tools. Maybe that you will love it and you will like it, and this might be helpful for you if you are planning for relocations and thinking about the city informations, or if you're thinking about how much it costs to your friends, those who are living abroad. If you want to know that, then this side will help you. You will get so many exciting things. So from where I get the idea. There is a problem, or it is interesting talk I have pained on my last week with my boss and my team. My It's not boss, my our productive lead, W bakery lead, Mr. Raitis, and we had a discussion about how much it costs, if living cost in our teammates, among our teammates. So it will be better to get a comparison so that we can get an idea, blah blah blah, and all the things that we have a discussion. So from there I get the idea, okay, fine, now we have the AI, we can create these kind of things very easily. Then he said, okay, that will be very cool. And then I finally create in my weekend projects, and all of it done. It's my one weekend day. I complete this whole project, and you can see my screen. There is a globe is moving around. Okay, there is a name. Its name Costlas. That's exciting name, and the domain name is costlas.com. When you land on this page, you will get a beautiful globe, and you can see and hover with cities and with data. Oh, you can play all that day with this is a very intuitive one. I like this one. From there you will get 140 countries data with 740,000 informations, and 137 cities, one sorry 1,377 cities informations and trust scores. All are described in the about page, how I have calculated those trust scores and other informations. Oh, and this is our various verified sources I have collected from on the web, and they accumulated all the data here and prepared a beautiful landing page within the there are plenty of sites out there, but this is not cool, these are not modern. These are the old styles like Excel type of sites, and it's always hurting me that okay, that's not. And the most important features was missing. There's the comparisons and cost calculator also missing on other sites. Some other site has, some is not, and there is no insight page. So I built this thing. So here is without making too much talk, then I want to show you what you can get from here. In the visiting on the landing page, you will see the most affordable, but mostly this is the most cheapest one you will find, the affordable one, and the price is for the single person, not the family. If we switch for the family, for families is the accumulator, not the children cost and the rents and other things that is not available on the web. So it varies. So it will give you a starting point if you're planning for visiting or relocating or thinking about anything else or whatever in your mind. It will get a starting point. And so from here you will get all the informations, and if you click any page or any site, it will definitely give you to our site. Like if you go to the Namecheap, China, if you visit, you will get a beautiful hero section image and card image, and there you will get a single month cost for a single person, and for the family, this is the accumulated and not the precise one, that accumulated cost. And we have added an average salary also, and the overall data we have got, and some data is mismatched, but this is not the actual one, but it's the calculated data. And you will get which area and lasers and other information, overall country informations, data, and other things, and city. This is the city information. So from here you will also get a search, like if you want to, like for Coke. Oh no, Coke is available. So this is China. So if you search for banana, you will get on that much cost. How you can change that? You can change the currency from here. So I'm using the USD one, that's the very powerful, and you will get the relocation comparison. And from here you will get the compare, the most important features. Just compare. Just click that, and if you want to compare with like Dhaka, Bangladesh, like I searched for that and already there, you will wait for that, and it will get for a second all the informations, category total and radar chart, and how much food cost. And most interesting part is you will get all the segregated data, how much it will cost. side by side, and from here you can get like again search for banana. How much it costs in Dhaka? This is very much costly. Oh my god, this is $1, 1.48 cost, and then China is very lower. Oh, that's interesting. I never know that because I built that, but I didn't check in that way. Okay, moving forward, there is a more interesting feature. How I recently searched for some testing purpose. I was doing that. Then you will get some. This will be saved on your device, not on my server. I don't have that much storage because I am storing so much data. So it will be on your site for your safety for recent searches you will get, but you can clear from here. So moving forward, also from here you can search for like 5 more comparisons. Like if you want to add like this one, Iran, this one, so 3, and I remember that. So you see 5 site comparison is there. You will get the whole comparison information. You will get which one is the cheapest one, and you can see like again search for banana. Okay, fine, for banana, let's see which one is most costly. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Trinidad is the most costly banana selling. Same thing, Iran. Oh my gosh, this is the Iran USD. Oof, maybe the inflation rate is so high on there. Okay, you can get the all inflation rate of Iran. Like if you search from here, like if you search for Iran, like Iran, main country. See. You get all inflation rate is 23%. Oh my god. Some information that is still missing. It's not available on the web. You can see all the information. Like okay, from there you can visit any site, or also from country page you can also like visit any page, and you will get a beautiful hero image and the current image with all single site persons and average salary and other things what you need, and cost breakdown, everything you have. Or from here you also search for, I see, is there any banana? Yeah, there is a banana for 1 kg. Informations are not good, but yeah, that's are available on the web. I don't know, I don't visit there. Okay, fine. Moving forward, there is a calculator. Like if you are living in Riga, Latvia, let's see, Riga, Latvia, and if you want to move to Serbia, Belgrade, Serbia, Belgrade, not sure, Serbia. Oh, there was, I missed that. Serbia, Belgrade. Okay, what's your current salary? Like if you have yearly salary 30,000, then this is the annual salary, then calculate that. So you will get information how much it will cost, and it will give you your local currency wise how much it will cost you. And yeah, if it's equal, then you can get all the information. So which is costly here, you will get the information. The housing is costly, transportation is costly, fashion is also costly. Okay, if you're living in Serbia, then you can give me a note, is that information correct or not. So in the pricing page or in the country or city page, you can do all informations. In the inside page, it will be updated automatically based on recent searches and data. By weekly it will be updated. Last updated in 23rd of May, but recently no data on search because it's not live on that time. And visa, there is some information available on the web, how many type of visa and which country is giving you that kind of visa. You will get the information. This is the official pages. I have a link there, and that is the about page, how I have calculated all the informations and relocations and data and and the planning. If I got anything else in my mind, if I have any budget, then I will do that. And later on the cost and everything, and how you can communicate with me, and then that's it. Oh, there is the things, you can buy me a coffee if you like that person. So there is a cool search things. I already showed that like you can do that from there. Like Riga, I search for the Riga, then Riga, Latvia. You can jump there from easily. Oh, the beautiful site is there, and all informations are available there, and you can search for those features. The features, banana, how much cost? It's very easy, cheap. Wow. Fine. That's it. All the information out there is mobile responsive. If you like this tool and if that help you, then give me a shout out. Thank you. See you in the next video, and I will come up with some new exciting tool with you if I build something new. And I'm building something new for you guys. So stay connected, stay tuned. Tada, bye bye, ciao. See you in the next video.